Hello friend, welcome back to the Auto Maintenance YouTube channel. I've got recently a lot of new gear and a lot of new toys in my shop. Most of it you can see in this corner. One of the biggest things for me is that brake light. I'm still waiting for a few missing parts or adapters, and then I will show you how it works. I've got new lighting and even more lighting, so I can finally see what I'm doing here. Right before it was pretty dark with only one overhead, but there is still something missing, right? Something to make it more easy to work here. What is it? Sound system. So let me invite you to a quick unboxing video of JBL EON610 self-powered speaker. And I am familiar completely with this speaker because we actually own one piece. We have it approximately 2 years and we are using it at home as our main and only speaker. We are extremely happy with the one which we already own, right? So when I saw that B&H Photo, right, in New York had a special price for this one, because this retails $400, but they had a special for $269. I was like, oh my god, this is exactly what will be my stereo system, what will be producing music at my shop. Will be the remaining side of the box, which you still didn't see. And I guess that means I'm ready to open it and show you, right, if you do this purchase, what you can expect, what is inside, how it's packed, and what comes with it. So there is a quick start guide right here. The compatibility, how it can be installed and so on. Here is explanation of these rear controls. And let's continue. What is on the top? So this is just covering protective box or the cardboard, let's say. And here comes the speaker in the wrapper. Okay, I don't want to damage anything, so I will carefully pull it out. Now I can grab it finally. And here comes the handle. Alright, so the box can go on the side. You can see the plastic. It just simply, it's not sealed or anything. So let's see. I will carefully put it down here. And voila! Here is the new baby. And here is the last remaining part which was in the box. And it's a US, right? US plug power cord. This is originally sealed, so I will get it out. Here is the detail shot of that back panel on those controls. You can see it. Hopefully that's helpful. To power the speaker, it's obviously very simple. You make sure it's in 0. You enter this power cord, which is fortunately very long. I measure it, it's approximately 10 feet, so that reaches really far. I can plug it in here without even moving it. Boom, it's in the wall. And now I will push the one. And here you can see how the speaker wakes up and which controls will be on the back. To boot it, it always takes like 10-12 seconds. There is a button for the front LED, which is on the front side. You push it in, it will go on or off. I will turn it around and show it to you. Here we go. LED on and off, so it's a small detail, right? When I bought a speaker, I already knew I will need a special cable, right, to hook up my phone or iPad or any source of the music, so I needed a cable. So this is a 10-foot. It's a stereo breakout 3.5 millimeter on one side, two dual quarter mono cables. Let me get that cable out for you. Here you can hopefully see what I was talking about, right? So this is then 3.5 millimeter and these two mono cables. If you want to hook that cable, ideally you put it in the off position, or at least all the controls to the minimum, right? And this is the way it will be hooked. Now I have a super long cable, I believe it's 10 feet again, right? And I need my source, which of course could be, for example, your phone, right? It just fits inside and you can start playing music. I checked online the manual, right, for JBL. In general, they tell you to run it with the signal in the half, and then you will start playing with the volume on the master volume right here, and right the volume on your device. Also, when you want to play music like this, you want to make sure it's not in microphone setting, but it's in the line, right? And these are these buried switches. So if you push it in, it will be mic, but it came in the line setting, which is correct. But this video was really meant as an unboxing only. I don't want to play any music because I want to monetize this. So please be tuned, because I will definitely show in different video how to set it up, and there will be sound samples. Thanks for watching today and have a great day, my friend.